The Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle originally invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture Ernő Rubik. Originally called the Magic Cube, the puzzle was licensed by Rubik to be sold by Pentangle Puzzles in the UK in 1978, and then by Ideal Toy Corp in 1980 via businessman Tibor Laci and Seven Towns founder Tom Kramer. The cube was released internationally in 1980 and became one of the most recognized icons in popular culture. It won the 1980 German Game of the Year Special Award for Best Puzzle. As of January 2009, 350 million cubes had been sold worldwide, making it the world's best-selling puzzle game and best-selling toy. On the original classic Rubik's Cube, each of the 6 faces was covered by 9 stickers, each of one of 6 solid colors: white, red, blue, orange, green, and yellow. Some later versions of the cube have been updated to use colored plastic panels instead, which prevents peeling and fading. Since 1988, the arrangement of colors has been standardized with white opposite yellow, blue opposite green, and orange opposite red, and the red, white, and blue arranged clockwise in that order. On early cubes, the position of the colors varied from cube to cube. An internal pivot mechanism enables each face to turn independently, thus mixing up the colors. For the puzzle to be solved, each face must be returned to have only one color. Similar puzzles have now been produced with various numbers of sides, dimensions, and stickers, not all of them by Rubik. Although the Rubik's Cube reached its height of mainstream popularity in the 1980s, it is still widely known and used. Many speedcubers continue to practice it and similar puzzles, and compete for the fastest times in various categories. Since 2003, the World Cube Association, the international governing body of the Rubik's Cube, has organized competitions worldwide and recognizes world records. Thanks for following our content. Like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.